welcome to my Salon de Femme. Today I have these two boxes, and ooh, this one's really heavy. Let's open this one. So I just have this small haul for the weekend, and it's kind of an important haul. So the first thing I have is hygiene, and those were on sale for like $7. The next thing I have is this cream bronzer by Revolution. I'm going to put it back in the thing so I can use it on another day and I can remember. But it's a beautiful color cream bronzer. If you didn't see it, let me make sure you see it, because this is gorgeous. Let me make sure you see all my haul. This was just 34 pack for under $8. This is a Wi-Fi repeater. I think I bought this on the warehouse deals. So this is resale. And let's see. This, I think they said you can plug this in through your phone, which is perfect for me because like my USB port just broke, the one that you plug into a device. So this one should be easy to set up. I think it goes like this or something, and then you plug it in, and let's see, like if you need tech help, you just scan that with your camera. It's pretty cool. And the setup is a 4-step setup, so that's gonna be easy for me. And let's see, oh, they have Facebook and WhatsApp. That's nice. But this is I can't get the name of it. If I can get the name of it, that would be perfect, right? Done for you tech. That's what it says, done for you tech. But I think this might be just from the person that sold it. I'm not sure. So I guess it is. I guess it is the name of the brand. Anyways, I can't wait to set this up. And then I got some makeup brushes. I got a spoolie, and these are angle brushes. So these are meant to like be used, you know, at angles. So like if you're kind of used to using, you know, like a skilled hand, these are kind of the product you probably want, because if you're using like a really straight lines and really, you know, angled kind of shading and all that, these are kind of the products that you want. Like especially like if you're doing cat eye or like a really fantasy type look, then these are probably kind of what you want to use. because they kind of relieve a little bit of the, you know, the stress on your hand from using exact, you know, precision strokes, because they're at an angle already. So they already, you know, they're already pointing at the skin. Here's, oops, my bad. I'm already breaking stuff. So here's my shoe that I bought. These are sneakers I got for like under $16. These are like 15 bucks. These are Puma. These are the Fusion Foam. As you can see, Fusion Foam. And let's see what's in them. Let's see. I can use this box to show you guys. So I got these new in size 7. They have elastic, I think they have elastic. No, these are not elastic. But I think the whole shoe is made of like elastic. It's like one of those shoes that are like a sock shoe. And I got these in light blue. I think they're cute. They look really comfortable. There's nothing really to them though, so I'm not sure how like that. I have used Puma in the past to do long runs, and I did like them, so I bought these because they were similar to those. As you can see on the bottom, they have a grip bottom, so these are good for all you know, like all types of situations, like sidewalk or turf, or, well, you know, like they're good for the walking on just regular tracks. So I really hope to put these to good use soon, since the weather's a little bit rainy. I think it's gonna rain like Tuesday, Sunday night, and then it'll let up and get warm again. So I'm pretty sure I'll get some good use in them. So they say the Fusion Foam provides unrivaled energy, return, and cushioning to keep you comfortable all day long. So these are just regular shoes, I guess, but that's what I'm gonna use them for. Because like I said, I had some Pumas before, and they really, I mean, just the price alone, you know, but the fact that I got good results last time. So here I got a toothbrush, and this toothbrush was on sale for like, I don't know, like 10 bucks or so. And it's an Optic White Pro Series. So this one's a whitening toothbrush. And I want to show you guys my toothbrush. Because like sometimes like you can find affordable deals for good toothbrushes. And I think Colgate always has good toothbrushes. You might not be into hygiene, oral care, but this makes it a lot easier because it's battery operated. So you can do your 2 minutes with the battery on and scrub as normal. It has like little bristles that help clean your teeth and whiten polish. In the back, this helps clean your the back of your tongue, Don't forget your tongue and any surface that's dirty. Make sure to clean that off too. Surrounding your mouth, like, yeah, always make sure to keep it clean, and change out your toothbrush as needed. For me, it's the sooner the better, because the bristles wear longer than obviously the arm of the brush. And this toothbrush is even saying it promises whiter in 3 days too. So I mean, I use the Optic White Pro Series toothpaste, and I think it's like 5% or 3%, some type of percent of hydrogen peroxide. And I also use Amazon mouthwash, which is also peroxide whitening mouthwash, and those two help me. I also do a tray. I do a tray with a light, probably once every 3 months, and it only takes about half an hour of your time to do the tray, and I do it at home, so you know, it's cost efficient. And yeah, like I said, you're supposed to brush 3 times a day or after every meal. This is perfect for me because it's inexpensive, and I don't have to worry about dental bills as much as I should. And last but not least, more medicine hygiene stuff. And this sinus medicine, the sinus medicine is actually like under $4. It's like 3 something on sale. It's always on sale most of the time. When it's not on sale, I just get a $10 box of them, and I feel like that will last me like for longer than, you know, than a month, which is perfect for me, because then it's one less thing I have to worry about buying. And this is something that I always need for sinus congestion and pain. It takes care of everything, nasal congestion, and relieves the pain associated with sinus infection, or it relieves a lot of tension in the body, because as you know, your head is like kind of source for a lot of energy, and sometimes you strain a lot when you have a lot of pressure around that vicinity, and this kind of eases some of the discomfort. But as always, consult a doctor. This is Muscle Milk. Now, I have tried fiber shakes, like protein shakes. I have tried Slim Fast shakes and Atkins shakes, right? And then I have tried Labrada. Is that what it's called? Labrada. And the Labrada I love. It's 40 grams of protein in one shake. The Atkins is got like 3 grams of fiber in one shake. Slim Fast, you can lose weight in like 6 days, guaranteed. Well, for me. So I feel like all of these things are good, positive things that I like. But one thing for sure that you can't top is the Muscle Milk flavor. The Muscle Milk flavor and the Muscle Milk overall performance. I know those things are all good. Everybody needs fiber in their life. Fiber is like the source of healthy digestion. You can't, you know, compete with that. You can't compete with, you know, weight loss in 6 days. You can't compete with 40 grams of protein in one shake. You can't compete with that. But this one, the flavor is solid. The results are always there within 10 days, you will notice a difference in your composition, your body composition. You will feel healthier and you will become more active. And for me, that is 100%, wellness in my opinion. And when you're trying to be fit and trying to be on point with your nutrition and trying to have a healthy diet, I think these are something that I have always continued in my life and implemented because obviously, let's see, once I became pregnant, I think with my triplets from 2007, I believe. This has been, right? It's been a long time. It's almost been like how many years? So, right? 20 years almost, right? And I'm still using this stuff. And, as you can see, I've had more kids since then. So that's a total of 9 kids. This stuff is good for you. It keeps you, like I said, it keeps you active and it keeps your body function, in a athletic way. So if you have goals like that, or if you just want to up your game, up your ante, I think this is a good choice. These were on sale for under $18. They were 17 something. These have 100 calories. This you can't beat at this point, with 20 grams of protein and 0 sugar. So for me, this is good for you if you're not trying, to gain mass with your protein shakes. This is perfect for you. Or if you're heart conscious, this is perfect for you. It, like I said, it doesn't spike your sugar. It doesn't have the sugar in there. And if you need more protein, it's got it in there. So this is the one I tried. It's called Vanilla Cream. And I guess I'll open it some other time. But thank you guys for watching. I absolutely adore my new shoes. I'm gonna stare at them some more because, like I said, it's gonna drizzle today, rain tomorrow, and or actually no, not today. Tomorrow is actually the opening of the Reds, right? Oh, can't wait for the season to start. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again on the next one. Might sound different. Bye-bye.